video I'm here to do whoopsies to do this look with you guys. It's so much colorful. It has a lot of it's a mess basically and I just love this look so much because it's very different from what I've done before, and I think you will love it too. So yeah, that's it. It's this for today, and I really hope you guys subscribe my channel, and if you haven't, of course, and give me a thumbs up. It's really important. So follow me on Instagram, follow me on my blog, it's very important too. I will let everything down below, link down below in the description box. And yeah, let's do this. So I've already primed my lids with that concealer. You guys all know what concealer I use. It's this one by Lancome Tinted. And now we need to start this makeup. So I'm going to use a more fluffy pencil brush, more fluffy, and today I'm going to use Jim Charles palette, of course. So I'm going to use the more pinkish one, the more pink color, and I'm going to pack this color right on the inner corner like this. Pack, and don't mind if the color gets a little messy, because it's what we want. And now with the same pencil brush we're going to just blend this up. And now with the same pencil brush we're going to use the more light blue in the palette, that shimmer one. And I'm going to pack this color right on the center of my brow bone, not yours, but mine. Like this. This color is very light. And now with a fluffy brush, I'm going to use this one by Wet n Wild. I don't know the number, but it's the fluffy one. I'm going to pack yellow. Pack and repack and repack and repack the yellow one. This yellow is a little tricky because we can pack and repack the times we want, and the color gets really light and has a little bit of fall off. So just like this. And now, as I said, we're going to use the orangey color. It's really pretty, and we're going to pack this color right in the inner corner like this, right on the pink. With a more flat brush, I'm going to use this one by Urban Decay, and we're going to use the greenish color, the more light one in the palette. So we're going to pack this color right on all over the lid. So just like this, bring this to your crease, like this, not too much, because the blue can dye a little bit. Just like this. Oh my god, I just love this. And now we're going to use pink with a little pencil brush, and we're going to pack it on the outer corner, right like this. These colors have a little bit of fallout, just like this. Now we're going to use the orangey one, and then you need to pat this color right like this. This color has a lot of fallout. Oh my god, has a lot of fallout. And now we're going to use the yellow one in the inner corner. It's just like this. Oh my god, I just love it. Now mascara time. Lancome. One. A lot of mascara. Just like this. Oh my god, I just love this so much. For lipstick, I use this Kiko Milano one. The color is 14. And it's this beautiful nude color. And I just... oh my god. Okay. And the final look, it's this one. Oh my god, guys, I just love it. I want to know what you guys thought about this look, and write down below what you thought and what you want to see next video. And yeah, that's it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and my blog. I will let everything down below, as I always do. And yeah, I'll see you next video.